Hello. My name is Belinder and you're welcome to Belinder TV. If it's your first time of tuning in, if it's your first time of stopping by, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my bantu knot. People always ask me that you have relaxed hair, how do I get my relaxed hair to be coily? So that's why I made this video. How I got it to be coily is I washed and deep conditioned it. Like I washed it and then towel dried it, and I added a lot of conditioner to it, leave-in conditioner. Then I cover it with a shower cap or a plastic bag for about 5 minutes. Then I removed it and washed it off. Then afterwards, coconut oil, ginger oil, onion oil, and garlic oil in this conditioner. So that's what I use on my hair. So when I finish deep conditioning and towel dry, I just apply this oil all over my hair and my scalp. Then I bantu knot it like this. About a few hours ago, I did it in the morning, and right now it's about 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So I'm going to take it down now. I'm so nervous. I'm going to take it down now. We are going to see the results together. So let's get right into it. Okay, moment of truth. Guys, can you see that? Very defined coil. Okay, let's just go through all of them. So guys, I've taken everything down. Oh. I thought I've taken everything down. Okay, we still have some left over here at the front. Okay, now it's all down. So personally I think if you deep condition your hair regularly, your hair, whether relaxed or natural, it will be able to hold a style. Like, see, I didn't add any mousse or anything. No, I just deep conditioned my hair and washed it off, and then applied my oil to it, my ginger, onion, garlic, and coconut oil combo, and I applied it to my hair, and I just bantu knotted it, and this is the result. The coils came out really nice. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.